Model, 67-plate Peugeot BOXER 335L3 2.0 BlueHDi H2 Professional Van 130 PS Euro 6 ULEZ Compliant Spares OR Repair, Starstruck. Body, black, panel van. Mileage, 129,202. Engine, 1997 ccdw10 FUD. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Coolant is pressuring, headgasket will need replacing, easy job for the right person. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Open mouth smile. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, reversing camera, electric windows, cruise control, air con. EU status, Euro 6.